Zhang Xiuming was a 20-year-old economics undergraduate at Beijing Normal University. Originally from Jiangxing, on the evening of the 3rd of June 1989, Xiuming and a female classmate were in Sedan when they encountered martial law troops firing into the crowds. While hiding inside a hutong, the classmate was shot. Xiuming moved to help her. He was shot in the temple. He was taken to Beijing Post and Telecommunications Hospital, where he died. After his university claimed and cremated his body, Xiuming's grandfather travelled to the capital to bring his ashes home for burial. As the eldest child of an impoverished peasant family from a mountain village, Xiuming carried his family's hopes. They had poured all their limited resources into his education. His admission to university made him the pride of the entire village. His death left the family devastated. His parents wept so much that his mother almost went blind, while his younger sister developed a severe mental health disorder. Because of the family's poverty, Xiuming left behind no personal photographs, only his school bag remains. Zhang Xiuming's father, Zhong Hui, died in May 2025 at the age of 87.
洪志明遇難時20歲，北京師範大學88級經濟系學生，嚟自江西省金溪縣。1989年6月3號晚，洪志明同班女同學喺西單附近與戒嚴部隊開槍，兩人躲入胡同，女同學先中彈，洪志明上前救助，被子彈射中太陽穴，被送到郵電醫院，不治死亡，遺體由學校領回火化。佢嘅爺爺前往北京處理後事，大骨灰葬喺老家。洪志明係山村農家子弟，係家中老大，因家境貧寒，全家供佢一人上大學。考上大學嘅佢係成個村莊嘅驕傲。得知兒子遇難嘅消息之後，父母整日以淚洗面，母親眼睛幾乎失明，妹妹亦都因佢離世，精神上出咗問題。由於家境困難，佢甚至冇留低照片，只有一個書包成為唯一遺物。洪志明嘅父親洪輝於2025年5月因病去世，享年87歲。熊志明遇難時20歲，北京師範大學88級經濟系學生，來自江西省界溪縣。1989年6月3日晚，熊志明同班女同學在西單附近與戒嚴部隊開槍，兩人躲進胡同，女同學現中彈，熊志明上前救助，被子彈射中太陽穴，被送到郵電醫院，不治死亡。遺體由學校領回火化。他的爺爺前往北京處理後事，帶回骨灰葬在老家。洪志明是山村農家子弟，是家中老大，因家境貧寒，全家供他一人上大學。考上大學的他是整個村莊的驕傲。得知兒子遇難的消息後，父母整天以淚洗面，母親眼睛幾乎失明，妹妹也因他離世精神上出了問題。由於家境困難，他甚至沒有留下照片，只有一個書包成為唯一的遺物。熊志明的父親熊輝於2025年5月因病去世，享年87歲。